spindle gears are located at the rear of the Davenport screw machine. Gear combinations and their resultant spindle speeds are identified in the Davenport instruction book and in the Speed and Feed gear pamphlet. Charts are available for 45, 60, and 75 cycle machines. Be sure to refer to the appropriate chart. Looking at our job layout, we see that our job will run at 75 cycle and the spindle speed is 2000 RPM. We will use a 36-tooth gear driving a 27-tooth gear. The first step is to remove the upper gear guard, exposing the spindle gears. The spindle gears are always listed with the drive gear, or the gear transmitting power, first, and the driven gear, or gear receiving power, second. The previous setup utilized the threading clutch. Since the clutch will not be in service for this workpiece, the driven gear on the threading shaft will be removed. A brass pin is placed between the gears to prevent the gears from turning when the nuts are removed. The driven gear for the threading clutch is now removed. The drive gear for the threading clutch is now removed. It is extremely important to secure the gears to the shafts with 2 nuts. This will prevent the nuts from becoming loose and vibrating off the shaft. The drive spindle gear is now removed from the machine, as well as the driven spindle gear. The spindle-driven gear is now mounted on the 626-A-1 shaft. The gear should slide onto the pins on the shaft hub easily. It is sometimes necessary to rotate the gear or turn it around to obtain the proper fit. Mount the spindle drive gear. A 941 sleeve is installed in place of the drive gear to the threading clutch. A flat washer and 2 nuts are threaded on and secured tightly. Reinstall the gear guard.